Ebubeagu have shut down 5 Igbo Ebubeagu personnel from Lilu, and social media are silent, and the bloggers are silent. Shame on you people. I will show you the video clip of Ono, the commander of Ebubeagu in Lilu, that was shot dead by Hitanansa Ebubeagu group squad. They thought that it was the men on the ground, it was the apostles' men that are passing, that it was the angels that are passing. They thought it was Major General Yaho is passing. They thought that it was a Triple General Igbo Potoso that is passing. They thought that it was men of armed forces of Biafra Liberation Forces are crossing. They opened fire against themselves, and they begin to slaughter themselves. Ebubeagu commander squad opened fire on themselves, thinking that it was Biafra Defense Forces. That is how the Ono disgracefully joined his ancestors just because of Nigerian hatred to let Biafrans go.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ESO, depending on your time zone. Today being 6th of September 2025, we, the team of Magnetic Jigs TV, is bringing this news to you. This news is from Njemekop, that is one of the Biafra Liberation Army commanders. Njemekop said in this video that their enemy are fighting themselves. You know, he is referring to Ebubeagu, of which we do call Asari boys. The Asari boys engaged fire to themselves. The other party from other community were passing, while the other guys from another community lay siege. According to this news, the ones that lay siege thought that it was the Biafran Liberation Army that is passing. They thought that it was Gentle Yaho. They thought that it was Umoma that was passing, and they opened fire. Before they could realize, or before they realized that it is their fellow Ebubeagu, it is already late, because they have kpaied 2 or 3 persons, of which one of the commanders of the other side was involved. They kpaied him. So Njemekop is here telling Biafrans that you can testify that they are not the ones buying Igbos, that they are not the ones doing a lot of bad things in the society.
In the land of Biafra, because of the gas in the land of Biafra, because of the mineral resources that Chukwokika Abiyama used to bless the land of Igbos, because of those mineral resources, they buried the truths. They buried down justice. Does it mean that the international community, even Finland, does it mean that the Finland didn't know that the Nigerian terrorist governments are responsible of the insecurity, of killings, of human harvesting, the cannibals? Even Finland, you knew that Nigeria is so corrupt, but because of our mineral resources, you betrayed the spirit of freedom. And Biafrans and Biafra Defense Forces all over is hereby rejected the Finland court ruling over our Simeon Ekpa. Simeon Ekpa is never a terrorist, and he has never violated any international law. Everything that the Simeon Ekpa did is according to the international law. Why don't the international leaders who knows the law, why can't they come out and condemn the Finnish courts just because of the mineral resources The mineral resources that Chukwukikabiama gave to us, that is the reason why Finland imprisoned the Prime Minister, who is also a Finland citizen. Let me ask the Igbos that is in Finland that are jubilating that their own brother has been imprisoned in Finland. Let me ask those in America, those Igbos in America, those Igbos in Japan, those Igbos in all over the world, even the IPOBs all over the world that are jubilating over the court ruling against Simon Ekpa. Listen, let me tell you, a freedom fighter remains a freedom fighter, and there are three things that faces any freedom fighter. One is death, two is prison, and three is exile. So, the court ruling against Simon Ekpa, I am here to address Biafrans and the conscientious ones, even to address the Finland, that their court ruling against Simon Ekpa for 6 years imprisonment can never stop the Biafran struggle, can never stop the agitating of Biafra, can never stop Biafra Defense Forces, can never stop. Even this ruling now have given the man on the ground more strength, more morale to go ahead to fight for our rights. We are only fighting for our rights. For those who are labeling us a terrorist or a criminal or a kidnapper, they are the ones that are killing our people, kidnapping our people, and harvesting the organs of our people. Don't worry, I am coming with updates. My update is for the people of Biafra to understand what is currently going on in Olo, Ihitenansa, Lilu, and Osumohu. Ebubeagu security killing themselves in Ihitenansa. And I want to use this opportunity, this medium, to challenge the DOS, to challenge the controllers of this Ebubeagu killing squad. I am here to challenge the Hope Sodema to come out on the public to tell Biafrans how his 5 security personnel, Ebubeagu security personnel from Lilu was gunned down by Ebubeagu security of Ihitenansa. I am coming with evidence. There's a video I'm about to play. I will show you the video. There is 2 videos I want to show you. The first one is the Ebubeagu chief priest at Lili. Nde Lili gara akpọbata all the whole criminals, recruit all the whole bandits in the land of the Lilu, together with the tiger base that they mixed up with. Together with the DSS they mixed up with it. Together with the Fulanis in military uniform they mixed up with. They are preparing on how to form a group in order to launch a war against the Biafra Defense Forces in that axis. One of the Ebubeagu chief priests currently working, doing charms for Ebubeagu. Echema asinande Ebubeagu anaghị agwọ ọgwụ, anaghị egbu mmadụ. Watch this video. This one is exactly the men of defense forces captured this one alive as a proof for Biafrans to understand that ihe na-eme ha nọ ha n'okpuru. This is General Butoso, the triple general Butoso. It's not the problem of Osu. It's not the problem of Lilu. It's not the problem of Osimohu. It's not the problem of Olo states. He is not the problem of the entire Biafra land. But I want to show you those who are against you people. They are killing you. The Ebubeagu are killing you. Cutting your own pass. Selling them. Eating them. And some use human skull to do their charms. I will show you a video. And I will also show you a video of Onowu na Lilu. I will tell you about Onowu, and I want to also to challenge Ebubeagu.
That the people that are doing that are the Ebubeagu, Musa boys, and the politicians. So, when I call one aka ha dị ọcha, n'ihe niile na-eme n'ala Igbo abụrụ ndị Biafra Liberation Army na-eme ya, because na ndị Biafra Liberation Army bụ protection ka ha na-enye ndị mmadụ. That the Biafra Liberation Army is protecting, they are not buying people. They are not kidnapping, and they are not doing any atom of atrocities. Rather, the people that are doing all those things are from the Ebubeagu side, from the evil or bad politicians, according to NJ Makeup in this video.
I want to also to challenge Case also TV. I want to use this opportunity to challenge Okigwe. I want to use this opportunity to challenge all those people that are on social media carrying a propaganda against the men on the ground, against those who volunteer themselves to fight for the freedom of their own people. Let me read this short script for you to understand what is actually going on. The Ebubeagu security shut down. Ebubeagu security happening live in Ihitanansa. And no Nigerian terrorist government is carrying the news. I will show you the video. And I am challenging the Ebubeagu Lilu to open up. Now I want to start from reading this, that Ebubeagu security killing themselves in Ihitanansa. Onowu na Lilu, the Ebubeagu commander, shot dead with others at Ihitanansa. 5 of Ebubeagu commander, 5 of Ebubeagu security terrorist personnel gunned down face to face with their own Ebubeagu, Lilu Ebubeagu command versus Ihitanansa Ebubeagu command. They are killing themselves, and Finland is not saying anything. And the Igbo leaders are not saying anything. And Hope Uzodimma is not saying anything. Musa, where are you? Why are you not saying anything? Ndi Okoko, Joe Okoko Mado, a fool at 40. I want to use this medium now to challenge all of you who are carrying propaganda against Major General Yaho. Listen, let me tell you. Major General Yaho, the triple general Igwe Potoza, General O1, Ogbebune Potoza, Ochiaga Ochiwo, B44, and the other commanders that are working assiduously under the command and control of Triple General Igwe Potoza. These men are not your problem. Your problem is you following the propaganda of the enemies of Ndibo. Onowu from Lilu. Hey. Kedu ha? Kedu ndị a na-akarị as propaganda na gentle jiegbe gbagbuo criminals, those who are terrorizing, those criminals, the unable on social media, gentle emaro, you are stupid. So you love criminality. And now Ebubeagu have shut down 5 Igbo Ebubeagu personnel from Lilu, and social media are silent, and the bloggers are silent. Shame on you people. I will show you the video clip of Onowu, the commander of Ebubeagu in Lilu, that was shot dead by Ebubeagu group squad. They thought that it was the men on the ground, it was the apostles' men that are passing, that it was the angels that are passing. They thought it was Major General Yaho is passing. They thought that it was a Triple General Ibo that is passing. They thought that it was men of armed forces of Biafra liberation forces are crossing. They opened fire against themselves and they begin to slaughter themselves. Cash TV, I am challenging you to bring that update. I am challenging you to come live the same way you are coming live, propagating against the men on the ground. I want you to come live. I am challenging all of you that are on social media. I am challenging you. Come live and explain to Biafrans, to explain to Olo people, to explain to Ihidanasa people, to explain to Lilu people, to explain to Osumohu people what is actually going on. How Ebubeagu are the one responsible of the killing of Biafrans. You think that Jerry Simonekpa will stop the men on the ground to carry out their investigations over what is currently going on in the land of Biafra? No.
So guys, you all know that so many people from the DOX and some other quarters in Biafran land are jubilating because Simon Ekpa has been sentenced to 6 years imprisonment. So here NJ Makeup say that even if they give Simon Ekpa 10 years imprisonment, that is not going to change anything, that the men on ground is still on ground, that nothing shake at all, that na nwere ife ga-emegide ka ụjọ tụọ ọfa maka na n'ọrụ a ha pụtara na ha apụtaghị bụ na ha apụtaghị, and that na ha ga-achieve riri ya bụ ọrụ. Ọ ihe ka NJ Makeup na-akọwa ọfụma na this video. So guys, geenụ NJ Makeup ntị, listen to him till the end of this video.
Let me read it first before I show you the video. Ebubeagu commander squad opened fire on themselves, thinking that it was Biafra Defense Forces. That is how the Onowu disgracefully joined his ancestors just because of Nigerian hatred to let Biafrans go. Hope Ozodinma and the Charles Soludo and the Peter Mba are busy recruiting Igbos to kill Igbos as Gumi, the notorious terrorist, the notorious Fulani terrorist squad instructed them, and shamefully the real Igbos blood are clapping and supporting the Igbo politicians to go ahead to kill their own and harvest their organs for supercell, for rich men and political consumption. Ebubeagu security or any form of security that are controlled by Nigerian terrorist governments are hereby prohibited in the land of Biafra. And anywhere seen will be seriously dealt with. They are not, the Nigerian state governments, they are not for your own security. The Ebubeagu are not for your own security or your protection, because they are all controlled by Fulani in power. They are there to kill and destroy you and take over your towns and your bushes and your villages. Ebubeagu security outfits responsible for killing and harvesting of human organs for rituals. They were apprehended by the Biafra Defense Forces for Biafrans and others to see that who are killing Igbos using their parts for charms and the other rituals purposes. They are the kidnappers kidnapping our citizens, and their sponsors are all silent. Ebubeagu is silent. Ebubeagu is silent. Hope Uzodimma is silent. Christopher Musa is silent. My question is, why are Igbo all over the world are following the destructive propaganda against volunteer armies of Biafra, who are facing the Fulani in military uniform, face to face in combat, defending Biafra forest and bushes and territories, and you all join hand with enemies to Ndigbo to bring in terrorists in Nigerian army, police, and others to invade your land, to take over Igbo region. The insecurity in Biafra land was caused by Igbo politicians. That is why they are killing Biafrans, burning down their houses, and kidnapping them to Tiger Base in the name of sitting governors in Igbo land.
I believe you will understand what is still going on right now in Okigwe and in Biafran land generally. So thank you, fans. Thank you everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Gist TV, and we remain the best. Thank you all. Bye.